Stop ignoring the silent decline of your internal strength. Most men believe losing their edge is just part of getting older. But the truth is, your body isn't failing. It's starving for the right movement. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to reveal one powerful 30-second exercise that can help naturally reignite your energy and bring you back toward your physical peak. Hi, I'm Dr. Alyssa Thompson, a men's health specialist. I've spent years helping men restore their vitality using science-backed methods that actually work. Here's what most men don't realize. After the age of 40, your body begins to change in ways you can't always see. Testosterone levels drop, bone density declines, and your overall strength and drive start to fade. But it's not just aging. Your pelvic circulation slows down, and the signals that fuel your strength begin to weaken. Let me tell you about my patient, Marcus, a 51-year-old construction worker who came to me completely drained. He had constant joint pain, low energy, and felt like he'd lost himself. Instead of handing him a list of pills, I gave him one simple movement. Just 1 week later, he came back with more energy, stronger mornings, and a level of performance he hadn't felt in years. Before I show you this, take action right now. Drop your age in the comments and type, "I'm starting today," because commitment is where transformation begins. Now, let's get into it. This movement is called the iron pelvic thrust. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet shoulder-width apart. Drive your hips upward in a controlled, powerful motion, squeezing your glutes and pelvic floor at the top. Hold for 2 seconds, then slowly lower back down. Do this for 30 seconds. This single movement creates a powerful surge of blood flow into the pelvic region and activates the systems that support natural strength and hormonal balance. It builds pelvic stability, strengthens your hips, and improves overall endurance. Remember this, your vitality is a decision, not luck. Start today, stay consistent, feel the difference. And if you want more daily methods to stay at your peak, make sure to subscribe, take care of your body, and I'll see you in the next one.